This is the Explore India activity box. It is power packed. It has a Rangoli kit. It has a card game called Diversity Squares. It has a block printing kit, so blocks and greeting cards come along with paint. This is the Rangoli roller. These are for the coloring roll. You have an entire India themed coloring roll which is 10 feet long and you can color. It's white and clean. It has stickers. These are the Rangoli colors, and it has a map which I will open and show you. So, this is the map that comes with stickers that have to go in the right places to mark the state name, state capital, a few neighboring country flags. A great way to explore India. The diversity squares. Here between any two cards, there's always a matching element. You have to quickly spot that. So let's see if we see these two cards. The matching element is